Get it? She's gonna have a great run and a fast time. Now look at it, right the horse down. Look at that horse's ears. Straight up. Look at that. She caught him right on the money. Look at this. Beautiful. She's gonna stop him right there to show control. That is a nice job, guys. All right. She's trying to show just superior control of this horse. Look at the finish on this horse. I think she takes care of this horse. Look at this horse, ears up, real bright, having fun. Now here she goes. This is heavy, you know it's heavy. The horse is something strange. It is a true test here. She says, guys, I'll just walk her down here. Look at this, and it's heavy load. Okay. All right, little Peppy, all right. She's got her down here. Guys, they have to give rewards some points for that. She's up on again, back in the saddle, headed to the figure eight. All right, boy, what a tough competition we got going. We're coming down to the end. Here we go. Look at the job on the figure eight. Guys, this is a figure eight. Look at the lead change. This girl does ride, doesn't she? Guys, that might be one of our best figure eights. I'm not judging. Look, she never hesitated. She has not paused. She has gone from figure eight to daisy chain without a pause. Look at this horse work. Guys, are you watching this? Man, oh man. She's like a gunfighter at a knife fight. She is tearing them up. That's all right, here she comes. Good, still gonna get a good score. She did bump one down, here she comes. All right, now, good, she's smart. She's rating her horse down. Come on, Big Yellow. Look at this. We got, there we go. Come on. Gee, I thought Ray Woodside was back. Here we go. All right, we got two pretty blondes out here now. Come on. Two Palominas. Here she comes now. Look at this. There you go. Reassure them horses. Good job. She's doing a super work here. All right, boy, look at you. See how they lean over? That's heavy, guys. That's nearly 40 pounds of water there. And then they got to try to turn loose and pour it in. It's one tough old obstacle. And plus it's getting them wet and getting them cold. It's tough, guys. There you go. She got her done. Now, she should be really good at this. I'm interested to watch her ride this. All right, here she comes. Here's the first one. All right, horse on the correct lead, right lead. Boy, look at that tight turn. Now, make a lead change here. I love the way, yeah. One thing I like about this cowgirl, she looks up when she rides. Guys, you gotta quit looking down. Learn to look up where you're going, just like she's doing. All right, here she comes. All right, boy, what a nice stop here. Horse very crisp and in control. All right, now she gotta lean down here. All right, come on, cowgirl. Position old pony up here. Boy, you don't want, boy, you get to go dancing around it. You can knock that tennis ball over, and there you're done. Come on. You got it. Come on, stretch, stretch, stretch. Yeah. All right, here she comes. All right, now all she got to do is get this thing up there. Again, she riding another pretty good sized horse here. It's all in the position, guys. Preparing position. Now she got to get up now. Be careful, cowgirl. Be careful. Now you know she's wet. You know she's cold. Still got to concentrate. There goes her time. She may just try a chip shot. I like the effort. That's an E for effort right there. All right, here she comes now. Boy, isn't it tough? You think about every obstacle being 1 to 10. Judges can do half points as well. Boy, you got to be solid on every obstacle, though, especially in these finals, to take home a check. All right, there's some good work there. Side passing around, stepping off, going both directions. Boy, she's in a perfect position now to strip that saddle and get moving. Boy, and I'll tell you what, I don't know about you, but boy, she rides as fast bareback as she did a minute ago. This is going to be worth watching here. All right, now be careful, cowgirl. Here she goes. She's up and moving. Here she comes. Come on. Free ride. Help her out.
whiskey, shaking, never stirred. Tank tops and flip-flops, those all night long truck stops.
Oh, yeah. Good job.
You can't resist my resistance, black as a knife on my boots.
All right, here she comes now. Great job. Well done, Beth.